there! If you're new here, my name is Julia and I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm just a girl currently navigating my 20s, and on today's episode of my life, I'm headed to my favorite place in the world, New York City. So if you didn't know already, Johnavie just recently moved there and I wanted to visit her. So we're planning to have the best time ever, so come join us as we eat, hit up the cafes, and explore the wonderful city together. On to get coffee. Hi guys, it is currently a mess. It is 6 p.m. on a mother freaking Wednesday. And I'm trying to pack all my clothes because guess what? We're going to New York. New York! Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to New York again. My favorite place on earth, but I'm trying to figure out how to pack all this freaking stuff because it's apparently like negative 50 million degrees there. I want to bring this coat. She's massive. However, I already packed like all of my clothes in here. Like, and I don't know what to do. And I also like wearing a trench coat on the plane. Like that's just too much. I think I'm gonna catch on fire because of how hot I'm gonna be. And I don't know. It's a mess. I'm trying to stuff everything into my carry-on right now. What? Oh no, mommy's leaving. Sorry. I made it. Oh my god, I'm like almost gonna have a heart attack. My heart is like beating so fast. I finally made it. The turbulence was crazy. Guys, this is like a whole freaking mission. And I'm sweating, but it's like snowing outside. Look at the snow. Okay guys, I'm waiting here for my Uber. Oh my god, my hands were so cold. Hey, what's up?
Oh wait, my hair is kind of like I put in a ponytail.
It's okay, we're a mess. We're going to dinner right now and we're getting Indian food. See you at the restaurant.
Like the first place I took you was this.
god, this looks so good. Like, fuck, dude. Yee. I just grabbed it. Oh, it's it. Careful, careful, I'm gonna drop it. Oh my, it's thick. We got butterfly pea and Turkish coffee.
Oh my god, it's cardamom.
The coffee?
Why did we pick the flavor we didn't try?
Is it not good?
No, it's good.
Oh, okay. You know, we're just living on the edge. Why are you slapping it like that? Okay, this actually like kind of like. It looks kind of good.
This is eating. Different vibes, you know?
Hey. Puffer, jeans, coat,
Scarf all the way up.
yes.
We're getting breakfast. I think an order just came.
This is what people's food.
This looks so good. Wow. It smells really good. Guys, look how like silky, so thin. Oh my god. Yes.
Okay, we are on to get coffee now.
Woo, it's so pretty. Look at the snow. Or the ice, I guess.
I'm going to walk to get my nails done right now at Utopia. I haven't got my nails done since Shanghai, and I'm excited to get some new nails on because they're so grown out. Like, what the heck? So I'm at one of my favorite nail salons here in New York, and the vision for the nails are gonna be like this Chinese New Year meets Ice Princess vibes. I really wanted to incorporate a cheap how design with a cat eye and also a French tip. And my nail tech, Serena, she did so well. Like, I'm telling you, her attention to detail was incredible. Like, she evened out underneath my nails, and I've never had any salon do that for me. And she's meticulously adding every single pearl perfectly and encapsulating them so they wouldn't fall off. The entire set took really long, but I think it was so worth it in the end because they're absolutely perfect. And while while I'm recording this voiceover, my nails still look exactly the same as they did here 5 weeks ago. I'm telling you, no chips, no lifting, no peeling. I highly recommend going here if you're ever in the area. Guys, these are like my most favorite nails ever. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Oh my God. Okay, anyway, I need to walk back to Jonavie's apartment and then eat something because your girl's starving. I was sitting in that chair for over 4 hours. It hurts so bad, I just need to go back home. Oh my God. Hi guys. Huh? We're back at the apartment now. We got pizza from Prince Street Pizza. And we have to be quiet because Jonavie's roommate is sleeping in the other room and it's 3 a.m. Are you gonna eat?
Tomorrow's gonna be a fun ass day.
Yes.
Tonight was chill, like
Yeah.
TBH.
Ooh.
Spicy vodka.
And I don't even know what I got. Prince Perfection. This is like a square slice. Okay, cheers. Oh, it's thick. Mmm.
Eating.
Mmm. Good? Let me try. This one looks really good.
It tastes like spicy vodka.
This is good. I think this one is so much better, yeah.
I mean, that tastes like
Cool.
pizza.
Yeah, this is a good, it's like a good basic pizza, but this one's like a special flavor, you know? Oh my God.
But is there cheese?
Yeah, I think there's cheese.
there?
This is cheese right here.
Oh.
Yeah. Damn.
I was like, or is this just sauce and bread?
Oh, whatever it is, it's good. Delicious. We're gonna finish our pizza and then we'll go to sleep. Yeah. Peace. Good night. Do you want to say good night?
Good night.